Hey there, YouTube. Not much to do. Just hanging out. Just getting some good fresh air. And I decided to take my little poochie outside. Ew! 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 Well, look like we got another baby kitty nursing on Mrs. T. That's adorable. Ew! They're calm when they're nursing. And he had his tongue out at me. The other baby kitties are probably hiding. Yeah. Well, I better get going on YouTube because me and Momo are gonna go back inside. Who's a cute little baby Poochie? Man, you're grown. Somewhat. Okay, gotta get that up the porch. Hey, no. Yeah, it's gonna storm later tonight. Hold still. I got you. Okay. There we go. No, no. No, no, no. Let's go inside. Well, YouTube, I'll see y'all later tonight. Bye.